Welcome to Bella's Designs and Home Solutions, where we talk about cleaning hacks, interior design, interior decor, and product review and Airbnb tips, and also any ideas and stuff that you can watch. Please subscribe to the channel. And today we're going to be talking about, bathrooms, how to clean mold on bathrooms. So I will just walk you through, play some music so it's not boring. And I'm using the HG limescale mold remover, and also HG limescale remover and the mold remover. Both of them are the main products I'm going to be using today. You can buy that off Amazon. So I'm just going to clean this bathroom. It's got mold, combination of mold and rust. And again, just, sit back, relax and watch, how the cleaning process is being done. And you can see that the tiles and the grout as well has got some mold in it. So I'm going to be cleaning that as well. So again, please put on a mask, wear your gloves. And if you need to put on any protective, equipment, please do that because people have got allergies. And, please read also the details at the back of the product. I'm going to scrub these using the HG, limescale remover, cleaning the tap with that, and also the hose and the shower as well with that. So again, please use, if you haven't got this, just find any of them to use it, but I'm using what I actually know it actually works quite well, and I use less time to clean it. Just pay attention to what I'm doing. It's actually quite a messy bathroom, so we're going to get that to a reasonable state without spending much time on it. Taking out that mold as well. You're gonna, spray that with the mold, HG mold remover, the mold spray. You can see that. Again, you can get that off Amazon easily, and look at that. So when you spray that, you can leave it for some time. Look at the mold on the ground, again, and on the silicone. It's got mold everywhere, and sometimes if it's really that bad, when you can't take it off, just replace the silicone, take it all off, get somebody, a handy person or a tradesman to take that off for you, and just put under the ground or silicone rather on there, and then scrub that quite well. Leave it for a few minutes each time, and you can test it, do a test pass, just see if it's coming out more, not see the amount of dirt that's coming out from that bath. Again, please just follow it through to the end, and I'm gonna put on some music just to get on and clean this quite well. can see, I've been, scrubbing the bathroom, and I'm gonna rinse it off now, just for you to have a look on the final finishing of this. Again, make sure you leave the product for longer if required, and just rinse it off, the limescale on the shower and everything else. So the whole purpose of it is to remove limescale and mold. So if you use the HG mold spray that I used earlier, you can find that on Amazon, as I said before. And also, if you want to remove the rust, you use the bathroom skipper to remove the rust if there's any surfaces on there that has got rust. So I'll just show you how I've cleaned this, or how I'm cleaning this. Just taking the pores. Sometimes there's some materials where even no matter how much you scrub, you see this, you can't really take some of the rust off, but majority will come off, but it wouldn't come up completely. But that should take majority of it off. But in a worst case scenario, because they're quite different surfaces of copper, you can take that off, just buy a new one. Look at the amount of rust that is on that microfiber.